Welcome to the Gary Abbott YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is a quick video I took recently on homes just being moved into in Oak Hollow on Summer's Run. And what a gorgeous area. You can see all of the pods and the rest that are people moving in. Most of these homes have pools. They overlook the golf course on one side. The other side has a pond view. Beautiful looking homes overlooking pretty spacious areas on the Woodlands Golf Course. Almost forgot the name. Woodlands Golf Course. So it's a quick ride along, just along this one road and then on to Corbin Trail. Once I go off from Corbin Trail, I give a quick shot of going towards the Bexley Bridge and looking over the 9-hole executive golf course. Just a quick video. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these. These are beautiful homes. Thanks for watching. Again, like and subscribe. Very short video for you today.